Welcome to the full protocol demonstration using Zemits Verstand HD Pro, our award-winning 8-in-1 facial platform, in combination with the LED-powered Zemits VivaLumix. Let's begin. Step 1. Skin cleansing. Before we begin, it's essential to properly cleanse the skin to remove any makeup, dirt, or oils that can block product absorption. Use a gentle gel or foam cleanser that doesn't strip the skin barrier. Apply it using slow, upward movements to stimulate circulation and prepare the skin. Take your time with this step. Massage the cleanser in for 60 to 90 seconds. Then gently wrap the face with a warm, damp, luxury spa towel to soften the skin, open pores, and create a calm environment before exfoliation. This step sets the tone for the entire treatment: calm, clean, and ready for transformation. Step 2. HydroDiamond Exfoliation and Extraction. Now, let's move on to HydroDiamond, one of the signature technologies of Verstand HD Pro. Start by choosing the appropriate serum for your client's skin concern. Hydro Clear Pro with lactic acid to clarify and prep the skin. Salic Pure Pro with salicylic acid to purify pores and calm inflammation. Select HydroDiamond on the device screen. Choose your exfoliation tip based on skin type. H200 for normal or sensitive skin, H150 for normal to oily skin, and H100 for more resilient or textured areas. Start exfoliation using smooth, overlapping strokes. The dual diamond tip gently buffs away dead skin cells, while the built-in vacuum extracts loosened debris. You'll notice a visible change in texture. Skin becomes softer, brighter, and more even in tone. After exfoliating the entire face, switch to the ruffle or clear extraction tips. Use ruffle peel for delicate areas like around the nose and mouth, and clear extraction for deep pore cleansing. You can reapply a small amount of serum during this step to maintain hydration and ensure smooth movement. Take your time. This stage is crucial for clarity and product absorption later on. Step 3. DermeDrop Intensive Hydration. Now that the skin is perfectly prepped, it's time to infuse hydration. DermeDrop delivers powerful, needle-free infusion of active serums deep into the skin using a rollerball handpiece and gentle electric impulses. Before you begin, ensure client safety by giving them the grounding handle to hold during the treatment. This completes the electrical circuit and ensures comfort and full conductivity during infusion. Choose your serum, Oxytite Pro, for firming and brightening. Attach the pre-filled serum container. Select your treatment mode, brightening, rejuvenation, or anti-aging, and adjust intensity if needed. Glide the handpiece with slow, steady movements across the skin. For areas with visible dehydration or fine lines, do a second pass to reinforce absorption. The result? Dewy, plump, healthy-looking skin from within. 4. DermeBoost for eyes and lips. Now we move to the most delicate zones, around the eyes and lips, using the precision-focused DermeBoost handpiece. This step targets early signs of aging and dehydration where the skin is the thinnest and most expressive. Choose from Acnelex for oily or acne-prone skin, Revita Collagen for firmness and bounce, Pepti Elixir for deep smoothing and plumping. Apply the serum to the treatment area, select your mode, and gently work in tapping or microcircular motions. Focus on expression lines, under-eye puffiness, and vertical lip lines. This step adds a luxury finish and visible rejuvenation to areas clients notice first. Step 5. Oxygen Serum Infusion. Now it's time to deliver a mist of active serums for instant glow and nourishment. Fill the Oxy Infusion Gun reservoir with the serum. OxyTite Pro for energizing tired skin. Hold the device 3 to 5 centimeters away and mist in sweeping circular motions across the face, avoiding eyes and lips. This step seals in moisture and provides a refreshing, non-touch finish. Clients love how light yet powerful it feels. Step 6. Cold skin toning. To calm and soothe the skin after all active steps, activate cold therapy mode. Apply gel to the face for conductivity and cooling glide. Wait 1 minute for the handpiece to reach its optimal temperature, then start with lifting or circular motions over cheeks, jawline, and forehead. This step reduces redness, inflammation, and puffiness while enhancing the lifted, toned look. It also helps lock in all the serum benefits from earlier steps. Step 7. Final rinse and hygiene. Use Zemits Equishear cleaning solution to rinse the tubing and clear any leftover serum. Just spray into a towel and flush the system until empty. Fast, simple, and effective. Optional LED therapy with VivaLumix. To further enhance results, offer a post-treatment VivaLumix LED session. Choose red light for elasticity, blue for acne reduction, or infrared for full skin recovery and tone. This hands-free step adds long-term results, and clients love relaxing under the panel after their facial.